This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Guten Morgen, it is 9 now. I carry Axel here, I have Isabel there. Mommy needed sleep, okay? So she's sleeping now. Yeah, but I want to get some groceries. We didn't get that yesterday. We need maybe some cheese and ham and something. The kids, they like bread. Wait, signal kommt. Bitte bedru. Okay. Supposed to do like this. Yeah, so we're gonna go to this local Norma grocery store and grab something. So yeah, Schönefeld is the airport area, and they have some kind of a mini shopping. Well, it's not really shopping. Just some stores in the lower floors here, and then seems to be some apartments. Okay, green means go. In Deutschland, you don't walk on red. Unlike other places, well, people just in Norway, man, you will get run over. Well, actually, you don't. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Achtung, Achtung. Okay, you see, if you're wondering why I know some German, well, it's because it's very convenient when you are in Germany. Like Ausfahrt, Ausgang, that is exit, Utgang. Eingang is, I guess, the entrance. I don't have this in English, just in German. Oh yeah, let me see. There are so many different cars here. I'm not need to find. What the cars? There are so many, but I prefer Jarlsberg. Okay, something that's similar to what we usually eat, and then we have ham over here. That's easy recipe for breakfast. Isabel, you want yogurt? Oh, holy shit! They have only big packs like this. What? It's a bit too big. Everything is so cheap here in Deutschland. The whole packet for only 2 euros. Is the kleine Joghurt for Kinder? You want this? It's big. Speaking of Kinder, there's a real Kinder. Maybe okay. We don't want to introduce any sweets here. Okay, maybe I can eat it with Isabel, and then maybe Axel wants some. Okay, let's get this. Okay, all right, let's go. Okay, Isabel, you remember in Norway, Daddy taught you Achtung. Okay, when we walk in the street here, watch out for the autos. Yeah. Okay, alles gut. Let's go. Isabel, can you count to 10? Come on, you remember it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go. Oh, I see. Yesterday I was trying to park over there, and then the guy said, well, you most likely get a ticket. Well, this Suzuki Ignis seems like you got a ticket. Okay, so you are not allowed to park here. Must park over there. Nicht here. Okay, alright. Now I know. Oh, there's a little playground here. Yeah, that's great. We finished breakfast, getting ready. Now we are again waiting for wifey to get ready. She needs to put on her makeup. Takes half an hour. So yeah, I just learned that just a 5-minute walk from the apartment, there is supercharger here. Actually, in Berlin, there are around 10-15 supercharger sites. It's crazy. If I knew this, I could have charged there yesterday, because today we're going to go to the zoo, Berlin Zoo, and then we're going for a meetup at the swap station. So I'm going to swap the battery anyway. Couldn't save that time. But whatever, okay. So now we wait. The kids, they are impatient. They don't want to stay inside, so we have to bring them outside. It seems like Axel just wants to have a little walk, huh? In the sand. All right. Now we wait for wifey. Oh, you want more fart? Huh? It's too langsam. You want schnell. You want schnell. Okay. Okay. And then hop. Hop. Choom. We have arrived at the zoo. The kids, they were sleeping. They woke up now. Well, yeah, I want to say that, well, to my surprise, also in Berlin or in Deutschland, you can use Easy Park app. It seems to work all over Europe. It's very convenient. Okay, maybe you pay a little extra fee, but yeah, so that's all good. It's part of the EL8 right here, right in front of the entrance. to the zoo. We already paid for the ticket online. And now we get over here and check it out. Yeah, so, well, okay, we just happened to visit several zoos, but maybe that's a nice activity for children, for Kinder. Yeah. See how it is over here. Wife and I, we've been here before, many years ago, but that was before kids. Everything changes after kids, right? We have elephant, and even though we've been here before, I don't remember all of this. But you know, before kids, it was 4 years since last time we went on a road trip. And then we went to Bled. We didn't go to Berlin, so it must have been 5 or 6 years ago in Berlin. Man, when you have a toddler who refuses to get off your back, and it's kind of hot today, 23, 24 degrees Celsius, then remember to bring only fans. Oh, it's a lifesaver. And you see it has a big battery that you can have. Supposedly 12-hour runtime. Oh yeah. That's probably the main attraction here, the twin pandas. Or they're having a midday nap now. There's the other. They're chilling. Okay, so not much action going on. Oh, you're cute, huh? Cute little pandas. Wow, this is beautiful. But also over here. Look at that. It seems that the camera is not able to capture the real colors here. Amazing. Alright, we found a playground, yes. We mainly do this trip for kids, you know. They are always first priority, so they can have fun and all that. But we have to get going soon because we have a meetup in about an hour. Man, one thing I don't like is that everywhere in this park, people smoking. Even in the restaurant area where there are signs. Nicht smoker here, they smoke over there, you know, it's a Familienterrasse, you know. I had to tell a lady there, point at the sign here, excuse me, you know, she was like, oh yeah, sorry. But it should be banned smoking here. There are lots of kids around here. And I mean, even if there are no kids here, you know, smoking should be done in a separate smoking chamber, yeah, so you don't disturb other people. Especially not here, where there are kids around. Well, we're out now, so I mean I guess it was okay in here. I mean, it's historical because it's quite old. I think it was 180 years old, something, I don't know, it's ancient here. But I actually, wife also, we enjoy the zoo in Copenhagen more. It's just more child friendly, tidier there, not that many people smoking. In general, yeah, it's just the layout, everything seems to be better planned in here. But I mean, I understand this is quite old zoo, so. But now we have to get ready. We have to drive around half an hour in Berlinstau to get over to the swap station for the meetup. Okay, see here, 26 minutes to drive 11 kilometers. Welcome to Berlinstau. Wait, 1 out of 3 batteries. Oh, really? Okay, well, I mean, it's no big deal. I have 76% and we have supercharger near where we are staying, but okay, whatever. Let's go. We have arrived at the swap station. There are some people here as expected. I don't expect some of the Nio guys to be here, but okay. The kids are asleep in the back, both of them. So I put on the side swipe. Put on the camp mode because if I use power keep mode, it might trigger the alarm. But at least camp mode, and then well, I could just in the addition just keep the key fob here because I have the phone. I mean, the phone is already key already. So anyway, let's go out. So there's some people here. Hello.
Hi.
So I actually blocked the I blocked the swap station right now because no one is using it, and I just want it for the shade. Okay, so let's talk to some of the guys over here. Well, yeah, maybe it's a bit too early yet. We'll see who else will come, but I expect only around 5 to 10 people anyway. So yeah, actually lots of people showed up. Nice little group here. We had talk about electric mobility, about Nio, about Germany, and lots of stuff. So wow, I have to say thank you guys for coming here.
Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
So it's almost 6 now, and I think we have to leave soon and go with the family again. Okay, some people left, some people are still chatting over there, but I'm gonna do a swap. I think they wanted me to do a swap, so let me do a swap. And I was told a little tip here, so let me see. Now that we are right nearby, we can just do this order now. The Nio guy here, he's not here officially, he's just a follower. He told me that, okay, when you are in this spot, we are in this spot. I'll show you now. See? I was kind of complaining or not understanding how it works, but just pay attention to this door. Is okay, we are in position. Why is it not telling me what to do, or why can't I proceed? Well, it cannot proceed until the door is open, and there is no place in the software that gives you the feedback that the doors are opening. Please wait. Once the doors are fully open, then you can start the swap. Okay, it's open now. There, you see? Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna do the swap, and also I was told that there are no Gen 2 batteries in here, so at least we don't have to play the roulette. But I just want to do this. Maybe some people want to take a photo. I have 73%. We don't have to swap, but we might as well swap since we are here. Yeah. So in case some of these guys never seen the swap before, but they probably had already. Okay, so let's do the swap, and then we try to find some dinner somewhere. Oh, but I got some tip from one of the guys there about cars for the kids nearby here. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna check out the cars. It's like, I don't know, well, I wouldn't say it's like outdoor Leos or something, but it's outdoor play park, whatever, for the kids. Okay, now we do the swap. And then I might have to run OnlyFans. And I think the kids are about to wake up now. Okay, the swap roulette. Ding. Gen 1 battery. Well, I kind of knew it because the guy from Nio, technician from Nio, already checked beforehand, and he could tell me that there's no Gen 2 batteries in here. Well, okay, whatever. You know, it doesn't matter because I've seen now in the trip that actually in 3 days when we check out here, we have to drive. Usually we need to drive 3 hours, right? I'll charge the car 100% at the supercharger, and then by the time we stop there after 3 hours to drive, the whole family wants to take a food break, pee break. So then we need to stop for 1 hour anyway. So Gen 1 actually battery should work fine by now. But okay, now we have to find something to eat. We are now in a place called Charlottenburg, I think. A little bit outside of Berlin. We're gonna grab some Thai food. That's what we decided to go for. I like the vibe, the Berlin vibe. We had to take out the big stroller. Parking around here was impossible. All the street parking was not available, but we park up here. Yeah, you see, it's always nice to know some Deutsch, because I saw when I was driving there, right? I saw consent parking in 150 meter. Rechts, that means right. Yes, so I took the right and then I found it. Alright, so all good. Now let's get going to the restaurant. Not sure how child friendly it is. Can we fit the big double decker in there? There it is. Not sure how busy it is. Maybe we need to order takeaway. Is we're gonna go in here? Where's the entrance? I think the entrance is there. Wow, they have sweets just like in Thailand. Look at this. Oh, it's like being in Thailand. Wow. Yeah, oh, but some of this is really sweet, so we don't want to buy it. I need to turn off this. Isabel wants to listen to Snoop Dogg all the time now. Okay, but let me show you. Okay, so we're gonna park over here, right? And then when I press on the auto parking,
You may stop the vehicle to select
Dude.
your parking spot on the screen.
it found.
Check our surroundings.
It could see here. Really? Even I couldn't see the lines clearly. The car figured out that is a park plots.
Daddy, it's robot.
Yeah, robot is parking.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Say good. Oh, there's an edge here. I don't know. It's
I've
okay.
deactivated sticker automatic.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we went for common guy. We have rice with chicken. We have kamudang. This is pork with rice, and then yum. We ordered no chili, and they managed to put chili in here. I don't know. It's just really spicy. I can't eat it. It's not supposed to be like this, by the way. Just Isabel making me make a mess. But let me try. Common guy. Okay. Mark Wayne's impersonation coming in 3, 2, 1. It actually tastes pretty good. I think we have to go back to this shop.